So, good morning everyone. Next lock that I will attempt to open is this BadASSA here. It was sent to me by the Norseman Lockpicker, but I think he got it from somebody else, so it's repinned from somebody else. In my package opening video I said that the key doesn't work. It works actually, but it's a little bit hard, so you need to push the key around so that it will start turning. I did manage to open it, but there was something else with this lock. It seizes, it's a little bit hard to rotate it when it's on the side. So I don't know, probably somebody compressed the core here or here, I would say here. And that's why the key is not really as smooth. So I've sprayed a little bit lube. I managed to open it last time, and I will be attempting to pick it on video. Let's see what will happen. That's the bidding. Wild, and I mean really wild 7-pinner. I'll be using first this hook so that I can get some false set to set the lower pins. And since the other ones are I need really to get around them, I will use this southward really deep hook so that I will be able to actually pick it. So I'll clamp it up and I'll be right back. So all clamped up, still working, and let's have a look if I can pick it. I will try to stay as much as out of your way as possible. And let's see what we can do. So first the pins that I know are easier and faster to set. So the first rotation on the core was from pin number 7 or pin number 6. I think it was number 7 actually. Let's have a look. Pin number 1, maybe, yeah, it gives me a little bit of feedback. So okay, pin number 1 was this. So 3 doesn't give anything, 2 not really, 4, 5 nothing, 6 and 7 no feedback. Okay, so any of the pins is very deep. The next one that needs to be set. Let's see which one it is. So, okay, that's number 4, I take it. Yes, that was number 4, very distinctive counter rotation, very nice click. So 1 is set, 2 no feedback yet, 3 no feedback, 4 no feedback, 5, this is 5 guys, so 5. Okay, let's start again from the front. So 1 is set, 2 is set, 3 seems to be set, 4, well, nothing from 4, 5, 6 maybe, or maybe not, 6, and I think we overset this guy. Okay, I think I dropped it normal, but let's have a look on the other pins. So 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 set, 4, maybe I overset number 5. Let's drop it, try to drop it. Rather, let's have a look. What, maybe 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, so it's returned back, 6 and 7. Okay, so 1 again, 2, no, he said 3, here's 3. Come on, number 3. Come on, number 3. Okay, I think we set him. Let's start again. So 1, 2, 3 set, 4, no, 5, 6, no, well, 7, Nope, again. Okay, none of them is springy. This means that there should be somebody that needs just a little bit of a push. Okay, we got a very deep false set when I pushed number 4. Okay, so 1, 2, so 3, maybe, no, 4, hello 4, 4, no, 5, 10, no, 6, 7, no. One, 2. Come on, 2. 2. And open. Whew. So was number 2. Very, very deep. Very, very, very deep. Okay, guys. So let's get this thing, because I really want to see what is the nastiness that was inside. And yeah, let's have a look. So this is my tray from Adrian Weber. I have made a mess, guys. Sorry. Oh, come on. Ooh, ay. The inside is a pincer. Wow. Okay, so it's a little bit oily, but let's have a look what's the inside. So I will mostly try and guess what's inside, how it was. It should be something like that. Just continue to make the mess. Okay, this is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 and 6. Okay, let me just put these things a little bit in order, and I will show you the pins themselves. So here I don't see any counter milling, but let's just quickly check. Sorry about that, my phone is ringing. This means that somebody is asking, is looking for me. So that's the core, 7 pins. Nothing special about there. All the key pins are standard, but the bottom pin, just take a look at this. There's a nasty, weird, nasty T-pin. Some really great self-made serrated pins, and I really mean great made. All these pins are amazing, just amazing. And the lock itself was a really, really great challenge. Norseman Lockpicker. I really appreciate it. I will pack it back and send it to you, and I'll send a challenge lock also for you. So guys, thanks for watching, keep it legal, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!